Open the browser on your mobile device and type in centralus.hunterindustries.com. This will prompt you to either log in or create a new free Hunter account. You must have a valid Hunter account to continue to Centralus, so let's take a minute to create one. You will only need to do this once. You can tell us which Hunter FX brands you're most interested in, or just click Continue to skip this step. If you prefer to see the form in another language, select from the list and click Continue. Only the items with the red asterisks are required to create the account. Fill in whatever else you're willing to share and click Continue. Hunter has many free services for registered members, but to get started with Centralus, just click the Centralus icon and then Create New Account. You'll return to the login screen where you'll be asked to click a link in a verification email to activate the account. Check your email and click the link in the verification email. Now you'll be able to log in and set up the controller. Once you have an account set up, you only need to log in to set up more controllers.